Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. Here's one name that didn't make it into the earnings list because they don't have earnings this week. However, it is going to be a pretty big event and probably something that if you do like trading events, you want to keep on your radar. All right. So, space, Virgin Galactic, this weekend on the Sunday, Richard Branson will be taking the first manned flight for the company, and it was both a surprise when they announced it this day, and then it was a surprise just recently when they announced that Branson was going to be on the flight. So a couple things already sending the stock kind of in a tizzy, opening up the volatility, really getting the premiums cranking, and now this Sunday you have the actual event, right? The reason why I think this is a big deal is because this is basically what the company is founded on, right? They're going to have missions to space, commercial space flights, right? And not only is this the first and obviously important, but also the founder of the company is going to be on it, so even more so, right? Um, I have equated this, and I've been talking about it the past couple of days, as kind of like a biotech phase three. And I mean, even though I know it's not a biotech, I mean, it kind of sets up that way, right? Could be a lot of volatility based on the outcome of the flight, and the options are indicating that. Okay, the spread, the straddle for next week, so that's July 16th expiration, is pricing in about 15 points. I feel like if this was an earnings trade, I'd say it seems like there's some room there, right? Because the stock has moved greater than 15 points on days when they just announced the flight here. I mean, there's gaps below. There's still room back up to the 52-week high. There's a lot of interest. There's been a lot of volume on the options, which can contribute to moves, and also short interest. About 20% of the float is still short on it. So there's a lot of things at play, and likely we will be coming into a pretty big swing on Monday morning. So this was something that I know it's not earnings related, but it is event related. And for those of you that like to play events, maybe this is something you want to start taking a look at as we get into like the weekend, because this is definitely one of the things that a lot of people are going to be talking about Sunday and into Monday. All right. So as actually, it's kind of like a fitting start too, because next week is earnings season, is when earnings season gets going, and then we're going to have a lot of headlines and a lot of event trades from there on out. All right, so it's going to be like kind of like a big start to the week, and then it's really just going to pick up from there. Okay. So if you are interested in more event style trades and earnings trades and biotech data trades, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options and play. Have a wonderful night. Stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.